What's up guys, so today we are heading towards Bird River Canyon Trail. It's supposed to be pretty nice. I just hope it's not frozen. I'm hoping to get some drone shots and maybe some wildlife photos, deer and stuff. So let's get going. So I haven't been traveling a lot lately. It's been pretty hard with the gas prices, inflation and everything that's going on. And I'm a full-time student, so I just work part-time, so it can be very tough to allocate money for traveling. But I don't think we've done a walk around on my truck, but it has a 5.4 liter V8, which is very heavy on gas, especially in the cities. On the highway though, like at 100 kilometers per hour, it's basically idling at 1500 RPM, which is something I love. If you can keep doing 80, just idles at just over 1000 RPMs, but you basically get nowhere. It'll take so much time to get to a destination when you're doing 80. Anyways, we've got around 130 kilometers to our destination, so let's keep on going, and hopefully the canyon isn't frozen over. I really want to get a drone shot with the water flowing between the icy landscape. That would be amazing. So let's keep going.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Hi there, can I help you?
Hi, can I get a large black coffee?
Large coffee, black and?
That's everything.
Okay.
Thank you.
30, please.
Sure. Okay, so grab myself a coffee from Tim's. We are in Besajur. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but we have about an hour's drive left. So we just passed Lac du Bonnet. Again, sorry for the pronunciations, and a few other smaller towns. 38 kilometers to the destination. Let's keep going. So I just passed over a bridge and the road became pretty shitty, but we got like 1 minute, 1 kilometer left, so let's get going. I have just started the trail. I'm using all trails to track the way because a lot of people said there were some places that can be misled. So I didn't want to record the entrance because there's another vehicle there, but for their privacy. But let's keep going and hopefully without falling. So from the looks of it, I'm still following a wrong trail, but it's leading to the same place. So we'll just keep going. I think I'm back on the right track. I hear some birds as well. So yeah, at the turning point, I think that way leads down to the river. This is the way back. It's like someone left some trash. Should have brought some garbage bags on the way. So from the looks of it, this part is a detour from the main trail as well. I do recommend getting all trails or some sort of trail trekking app because there are so many trails. You won't get lost, but you might end up not doing the proper trail all the way down. It's pretty here, I think. From after these trees here, it's just ice. I don't want to go down there because it's pretty thin. It's already melting, as you can see, but it's very pretty. I came down that way and went straight down towards the water, but this seems to be the trail that I need to follow. That's pretty steep even though you can't see it on the camera. I hear more water, that's a good sign. It's very tough to hold the camera and everything and then go up and down these trails, and I don't want to break my camera, so put it away. I made another detour accidentally, so I had to go back and go to the main trail again. This part is very slippery. You can slide down. Going back up is a different question. This would have been easier in summer. Lookout spot. Try not to break our necks. But this is very pretty. Pretty sure I'm on ice right now. It's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna take a few pictures here before I head out. That's basically it. Okay, so I'm at the end of the trail here. It's very beautiful. I'm sure it looks way better in summer, but it's all frozen over for the most part. So I'm gonna head back now. I'll probably take the easy trail. I'll see you back at the vehicle. Okay, so took me 1.5 hours and 2.35 miles up and down. That's pretty good. I'm heading towards Pinawa now, most probably. So let's see how that goes. All in all, this hike was amazing. Cheers. Okay, so we turned onto highway, can't remember the number. So this is the road that leads to Pinawa. It's pretty beat up. If you're coming directly from Winnipeg, I think you come down the other end of this road. It's still the same. It's gonna be a beat up road, but we have 6 kilometers to go and then we'll be at Pinawa. We have about an hour and a half of daylight left, so I might not do a whole hike around Pinawa, just see the dam, see the water flowing down there, and then just head back home. Anyways, I'll see you there. We are near the Pinawa Dam, Provincial Heritage Park. You can see the tiny boat right there. In summer you can drive down there, but the road's closed in winter. I don't think it gets plowed, so we're just gonna park on the side of the street and head out. It's windy and chilly down here. So there's a couple of other people that headed down the other way. I'm used to going down this way and then coming back the other way. I'll probably do that. I don't even know if I'll go through the entire area or not. how to get to the lower portion of this. So the stairs at the end here, or you have to go all the way back and down from there. What's up? Yeah, I think you have to go from down. I remember those turbines and stuff being out there. There are stairs here too. They lead to nowhere.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I'm with you.
Okay, so I just got back from Pinawa Provincial Heritage Park. It's pretty nice out there. You just have to be careful. You can't see where the rocks end because it's all covered in snow. So just be careful when you're walking down there. Sun's starting to get really low. I have about 45 minutes of light left, maybe. I have a 2-hour drive back, so I think I'm gonna head back home. I was thinking of doing the suspension bridge as well, but I've been there in winter. It's pretty nice, but I feel like I want to get back before it gets too dark. So let's head back out. So we are about 100 kilometers from home. I'm super hungry. I haven't eaten anything since I had breakfast. So I'm gonna stop at a Tim's if I find something. Apart from that, that should be everything for this video. It was very nice. It was a nice hike. Pinawa Dam was pretty nice too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. And see you on my next video. Hopefully soon. I should be going to Calgary in like 3 weeks. So I probably will make a vlog out of it. Let's see how that goes. But anyways, like, subscribe, and see you.